Hi YouTube. Such a long time, I haven't put nothing on YouTube yet. So today I do the charcoal canister or the vapor canister. I already done all the work, so I'm just going to tell you very short so you don't have to be struggle, okay? Especially this right here. You have to pinch. If you have this tool, using this tool. If you don't, you can use a finger, snap the clip here all the way and then pull out, okay? But the best way is to loosen the bed. Very easy. I will show you. You see right here? That's one. You don't have to pull all the way out. You see that one? And then that one there. So two down there, two in the middle here, okay, and then two in the back here, okay. And using this right here, T55, okay, T55, that will be fit exactly what it is. And then you don't have to jack. If you have pry bar, using pry bar to pry it out from here. Okay, and then put something like this on top to have a little room so you can go under the car. Second to that, you have to drop your spare tire. I already put it up, but normally if you put down all the way to the ground and move this out of the way, you can go stand right here and take this bolt right here out too, and unplug this right here and dismount the bolt right there, and there's two in the back here, so you can yank this one out from here, because if you don't jack, this right here is blocking the canister, unless you want to cut this piece right here out, you know, but not a good idea. You just jack the bed a little bit, you know, on both sides. So this side, using that jack right there, so you can take them out. And after you jack this, all this bolt here, and take this out, is easy. So the reason I haven't do the video for this job, because I don't have no time for it. I just explained to you that very simple. The only thing that find me harder to do is to take this right here, to take this out, because kind of in time, and the rubber, sealed rubber in here, kind of stuck right there, so you have to press really hard and pull it, or with a pry or something to help you pry it out. And also this right here, you know, and the plug here kind of a little bit hard when you don't have a strong finger. I recommend it to use something like this. All my junk's on the floor. Something like this, but I didn't. I used my finger only. Okay. All right. Hopefully, I didn't show you all the work, but I explained enough for you so you can do it yourself. It's not that bad when you jack the bed pretty high up there, unless you want to lift the whole thing like all the way out. That much easier. But that's good enough for me. When I do this, it take me about what, 15-20 minutes. Okay, it's not that long, so it should take you 5 minutes. All right, thank you for watching. I need exercise, man. Getting fat. Bye bye now.